history in the making here, because this Raya Open House is the first to take place here in Paradise. It makes me very, very happy to now introduce you to the gentleman who is behind all this. You're Mr. James Gann, the CEO of Metadise, and during the hand.
So this is the vision of Metadise, eat, play, and earn. The eat will be the physical, the food that you have enjoyed. The play will be the e-sport, but they also can go into the development of the game. Level 3 will be our blockchain academy. We call it Web3 Academy. We promote 3 earn. First, you earn knowledge through academy, through courses. Then we allow you to earn money safely in the crypto industry. All the conferences, we organize straight there. And then we earn our network so that we can connect globally. Once again, I thank you for coming and joining us. I hope you enjoy the food. Later, we will do some tour to our level 2 to see what is simulated racing.